Yeah, me I say good afternoon. Yeah, to all of my YouTube followers them, subscribers them. Well, me I say right now is like I don't like how the man them are this up Dalton. You see what me I say? Yeah, yeah. I'm bound to killer. You can know better because me see Aisha come out with something and you take her on. It's like everybody come out with something with them love and like you take them on. Me not violate the artist, but me I say yo. Every man is if you leave every man to them one, you see me? You is not in the league of the gay thing, left them alone. I mean I say that and again neither because you see me that picture they look like I just one group picture. You see what I say? And she you know and them other artists we are this up the YouTube people them we have channel we have put out in the music for the public to see highlight in the music and tell you which song bad and which song not bad. You can't this people them way there. You can't this YouTube channel man them way there, you see me? Yeah man, we not unite, you know. And Jamaica have to wake up because every little thing we see, we make it bad away. Yeah, and there is certain country we now can't go look more for now because them go bad me out of them country because if we see two man hug up or a man a walk away and we see them a fish, them can be best friend. You see what I say? And if a man a fish or a gay, I feel him think that. You see what I say? Yeah. If a girl a lesbian, I fear her think that. You see me? You see what I say? God never really forced no man to come praise him. And God never forced no man to live the life where them a live right now. You see me? So, I try make Dalton feel bad in himself and say him a gay. Well, me not go say him a gay. I mean, I defend no man we are gay neither. But me not say him a gay. You see me? Because watch him man never play wrestling. You see me? When you see them go behind a next man and lift him up and fling him down, I just see him turn up behind him and squeeze him. What you would have say about that? Me not hear no man that they nothing about them something there. But as a Jamaican man, get hugged up by a white man and sit down in a lap. In a taxi, you know, some man sit down in a lap. You know see me? You see what I say? Woman sit down in a man lap too. Yeah, I just still our bottom there on the man dick. So what the difference? See what I say? And if a body is a Jamaican I try burn out, you see me, I'm not against it, but I one thing me I tell you now. It's sad because a whole heap of batty man there Jamaica, straight. I tell you that. Whole heap of fish there Jamaica, whole heap of lesbian there Jamaica. You see me? So what Dalton I do, when I try mash down the man career and violate the man career, you know. Make the man stress out, you see me? What Dalton me I tell you this. Keep strong and do your thing. You is not a gay and the whole world know that. You see me? You see with Jamaicans, me not give Jamaican people bad name, but whenever somebody try to step up in their life, there is somebody there to try to stop them. You see me? Yeah, there is always somebody there trying to stop them. So me I say that and hold up your head. You see me? And the artists them will this up the YouTube. Um man them will have them channel will push out on the music. We don't need to stop it man. Cause it not look good. Why when it come on to Christmas like me have it as a pagan day still, but because a whole heap of violence go on and a whole heap of killing go on. So basically, why when it come on to that time of year, you find everybody hate one another. Instead of them to unite and live loving, you have some people have violence them to deal with. Because what? Them have problem when need to be solved. So what? Them if them not take it out upon somebody else, there are these people who say lick out against that and sitting down in a man lap. It's like them have problem. Them a mind for the art and business and for them a wild, you see me? So basically, I don't have nothing against Dalton by saying him is a gay or nothing. No. Man is a Jamaican like we. You see me? Yeah. So, why try to stop a young artist who are going forward? It's all like a smatic. It's like if I get a youth rise out of the slum and he make a picture, take a picture certain way, it's like them say my gay. Them little alkaline a batty man too. So alkaline not really care. Alkaline still a doing thing though. Yeah. So who give all these people the power to burn out people and judge people and tell people say them are this and them are that? Who give them the right to say all them things? Them is not God. So God alone have the judgment and the right to tell a man who he is. You see me? And that man will know him fate on the day of judgment. You see me? So basically all of these people we are judge people. Them are judge people under the worst of them they who them are judge. So basically when me would I say instead of uno have this thing here and push it out like through a Christmas now uno go violence it out. And if a man go throw a word per man and man go this up YouTube blogger and all them sitting there. Uno no need to do them something there better. That no call for. Uno only make Jamaica look like some boy. We are the worst thing in the blood fire world and nobody know if come here so. You see me I say. We have a beautiful country, not because of a crime are going out here and killing. But the killing them we are going, them are the people them we are kill people, them know why them are kill people. And who them are why them are kill them and the reason why them are kill them. We not say them to kill people. Yeah, I will live with it, but you know, people do things to people and people put themselves in with people. People violate people and it end up that people have to kill people. You see me I say? Yeah. So I just saw it go. It could have gone another way around. Yeah, but no, a man just thinks that well if you kill a man and get rid of him, you see me so. This bagger foolishness where them are going with and on the internet and YouTube. Them need to cut it out better because some of the big people them were respectable people them we look up to. These people are the ones who are acting like they don't have no sense. You see me I say? Yeah. Because if it was two white man hug up, nobody don't have nothing to say, you know. I tell you that. But true is a black man there. Everybody have something to say. Because it's a black man and you come from Jamaica, so everybody have something bad to say. It's just like somebody don't like you and they will do anything to see you suffer or see the worst of you. Or when you put out your best. But I told Dalton now, Dalton have put out his very best till he reach at the final. You see me? And it's like at this pop up now. The whole bag of scandalism and how him a gay and all these things. And if a mother really pass them remarks about him, you see me, me lose half her straight. Me don't know her in person, but you don't know if a man say a man mother pass some remarks. If she really do that, me not say she do it. If she really do it, me I say it bad. Trust me. And when me I say Dalton, just keep strong in yourself, brethren. You see what I say? No make them try stop you. Because that's where it going on. Anytime you reach the top, somebody is there to stop you. Yeah man. Somebody is always there to give you a fight. But put God in your thing and the whole of violence what I say wanna promote in this musical thing. When you say wanna fight against crime and violence and the people that have the power to do music I promote it. So basically if you want to promote it, we don't expect the youth them to do in the street. Because we not tell them what to do and tell them how to bust head and all them shit there. So what me I say right now, the whole of we are going on the antics, we need to cut it out and say a prayer for this country, Jamaica, you see me. And for all the people and we are try like Dalton, straight. That me say. One done.